Welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2015 Yamaha F115LB. This is a 20-inch remote. It has a brand new OEM lower unit on it. For hours, we're sitting at 1,565. Compression came back at 190 PSI on all 4 cylinders. This will either come with a good used control box or a brand new one. I have to check and see what I have. We went through, did new spark plugs, new impeller, oil filter, fuel filter, lower unit lube, new power head oil, and then clean the fuel system. Yeah, go ahead and fire this up real quick. I cannot run this engine out. We just got this tank back from busting a hole in the bottom of the tanks. We had to send the other tank out to get fixed for bending where the motor sits. So I'll give it a little throttle. I'm just not going to open it up like we normally do. Back into neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Shut it off. All right, if you're interested in it, you give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great weekend.